Hi guys, welcome back and welcome to my channel Noviaesthetics. For the people who are not a part of my family, welcome. And if you are back, hi guys. I know I left, but I'm back and I have time. When I say time, I got y'all on my mind and I need to put y'all onto what I'm on. So let me show y'all. So as you see in the title, it is a beginners friendly video. It is for the people who actually don't know how to put on lashes, who actually want to learn. I have so many people that be like, girl, your lashes. And people be like, girl, those lashes. Girl. But you want to know something? I don't even know if it's sarcastic or if it's serious, because I don't care. I think I look good in them. If you don't like it, don't look, don't stare, don't buy. 3 basic eyelash lines now going up on my website soon. I will be launching soon, finally. I will tell you, it is not easy, which I do have another video coming up about how to open a business, how to start entrepreneuring, and vendors, because I did all that research myself. Nobody gave me the hand or the key. So let me tell you, it is a toll. But back to my video. Like I said, we are doing a video of how to place your eyelashes on for beginners. So if you're actually interested, keep on watching. And if you're actually a part of this family, thank you so much for joining. I actually am pretty surprised that some people hit that subscribe button. I'm actually happy and I actually want to grow from this. I want to put you guys onto, if you feel when you start off with anything, don't feel discouraged because you don't get there. Like, just because you're not there, you're gonna get there. Just always remember that there's a finish line. Just because you don't see it doesn't mean that it isn't there. Stay tuned, y'all.
I'm a badass bitch. Shut your mouth, I'm a badass bitch. When I come around, I'm a badass bitch. I'm the badass bitch. Fuck a beat, blocky on your face. Can't come around my block. It ain't safe. I got shooters, I got aids on your block. Hit a lick, drop a safe. In the crowded room, bitches assume that I fucked they man. No, I didn't, but I made them spend the motherfucking bands. While you dancing on the pole, blowing money off your man. With the bitches in the club, got his money in my hand. 200 on the dash, Glocky 40 in the stash. Stacking hundos in the box.
Here are the items you will be needing to put on your lashes. A pair of lashes from any website, drugstore, anywhere you get your lashes from. Alcohol rub and a Q-tip to sanitize your lashes. Tweezers to place your lashes on, and a spoolie to blend your lashes with the actual false lashes. Adhesive glue, you can use whichever you like. I used hair glue because it stays actually more longer and secure for me. And a fan to secure that it's dry. I also use liquid liner for the top of my eyelid to blend the actual lash with my eye. Next thing I am doing is opening the case. My cases are round. For people who have nails like me, it's best to use the tweezers to open it. So if you ever have any problems or struggling with your eyelashes or anything that's actually like that, like palettes or blush or bronzers, you can always use the tweezers to open it. That's what I use for my long nails. And as you see, I am cleaning the actual lashes with the swab and alcohol. As you do both sides, let it sit and dry for a few minutes before you place it on your lashes. Once that is set, make sure your lashes are free from oils or any products, because you want your lashes to stay secure. And as you see, I took out the lash, and there's extra glue on some of the lashes, you know, that you buy. So you just might want to clean it off on both sides. They just have it. Just take that off. From there, you just try to size your lashes to your eyelid. So when you size the lash, you get to see how much you get to cut off and keep. Some people don't need to cut off. Some people do. Some people have smaller eyelids that some people don't even fit on 25 mink lashes. So, you know, just size your lashes first and make sure that they fit. When you see that you need to cut, never cut from the inner corner. Always cut from the outer corner. And as you see me here, I'm trying both on at the same time now. I forgot to grab my scissors, so I went and grabbed them. But yeah, as well, you will need scissors if you do need to cut your lashes. So you see me cutting my ends. As I said, never cut the inner corner of the lashes. Always cut the outer corner of the lashes. As you see here, I was using the spoolie to actually organize and straighten out my lashes so they won't look like a mess with the false lashes. I take a drop of my glue pretty much and I just spread it a thin layer on the band of the lash. I don't try to leave a glop of it. You know, I try to do it like a thin layer. You really can't tell, but try to do it on the band, never on the hair, or never on your eyelashes. Place your false lash. So when you're placing it, just try placing it in the center. From there, you go to the inner eyelash and place it. And then after the inner is placed, you'll go to the outer. You'll see me do it again with the other eyelash that I place on. I'm just fast forwarding this so I can actually get to the other lash. At first, it looks crazy when you wear 25 lashes. You know, when I used to wear them, in the beginning I was like, oh my god, like with one lash on I'd be like, oh my god, I look crazy. But when I have them both on at the same time, it's a big difference. It looks fabulous. So yeah, as you see me here, I have a little drop and I'm spreading the glue adhesive on the band of the eyelash, the false eyelash. So as you see me placing the eyelash in the tweezers, I'm letting the eyelash glue dry. Earlier you seen it fast forward because I was fast forwarding the video, but this one is an actual slower one and more up close so you guys could see what I'm doing. But don't mind my one lash that looks all crazy right now. So as you see, I am centering the lash with my eyelid, and as I place it in the center, I'm going to the inner corner and placing the eyelash. Once the eyelash is placed in the inner corner, you go to the outer corner and place in the eyelash to your eyelid. You can use tweezers, your fingers. Some people use their actual, fingers to, place their eyelashes more in. Usually I like my tweezers, I like to tend to use both my tweezers and my fingers at times at the end. But I would always do that before I go and grab my fan. And so with my fan, I'm fast forwarding the video, but you would see there, I'm there for like a minute of holding the fan in my face. So you don't need to use a fan. You can use it just to make sure that the glue adhesive is dry. As you see me here now, I am going on top of my eyelid with the black liquid liner. Some people don't need to do this. Some people can do this, but it usually hides the band of the false lash on the top of your eyelid, as you see, and right there, it's like a good blend. And as well, I like to put mascara on the bottom of my eyelashes as well. I don't like putting mascara on the false lashes because I feel that the density of the lashes lose its life more quicker. So I just like leaving it basic. This is the look that I got. If you are satisfied, hit that like button. If you are not a part of this family, Noviaesthetics, I suggest you to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on no videos.